Hello everyone, this is Kulat of Megabytes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tainan, the food capital of Taiwan. We're going to introduce you to the Wood Burger. They are making Aboriginal style wood fire grill hamburger. Let's go.
就是传承文化的一种，因为我们以前原住民在就是还没有进入文明以前，就是都是用木头在烤肉，所以这个用木头主要是要象征说不要忘本的意思。
One of the big difference of Wood Burger Muhambao is the use of wood fire in cooking. He wants to make people experience the La Lua method, which is the old way of cooking food before development arrived.
面包本体它的颜色是黑色，主要是用那个竹炭粉下去制作的。
Because the style of the shop is rustic, this black bread matched their style. Furthermore, toasting the bread in wood fire deepens the impression of the customers. Okay, so not just hamburger, but they're also using pork, beef, lamb chop, and chicken slab.
那三层肉在我们原住民的那个就是社会里面，猪肉是非常基本的一个食材，尽量把这个肉的原味以木火的方式熏烤出来，吃到最真实的原味这样。
When we eat the meat, we don't actually need to use too much seasoning because the natural flavor is enhanced by the smoke and burning wood. Each order has a salad on the side, a scoop of freshly mashed potato topped with lettuce, mung bean sprout, jalapeno, salad dressing, and melted cheese. After making the salad, the bread is whipped with mayonnaise. Then put the lettuce, cherry tomatoes, special sauce, a slice of pineapple. Now is the slab of meat. Look at that quantity. They put a large amount. That amount is really huge. And the burger is almost like more than 6 inch, I think. This is really big.
这个店不太容易再开另外一间了，因为你在烤肉的时候，每一个人烤肉的那个方式跟模式不太一样。如果你为了要就是再开另外一间，可是你坏了到品质的话，那种我觉得不是我们所乐意见到，因为我们的这个店的主要初衷就是，其实你吃汉堡带给来的一种惊喜感，跟你吃到那种原肉的那种兴奋度我就觉得会比我如果开第二间的那种感觉会更棒。可是你吃到这种东西是很享受的一件事情。那当然也是想要开，可是因为你找不到跟你一样思想的人去在做这件事情的时候，我觉得先不要冒险一下。
He wants to protect the flavor of the Wood Burger, this brand, and so he doesn't want to start a different brand because he wants to be directly making all the grill. And if you want to take this Wood Burger, you better come here to Tainan District, Tainan City.
When you say burger, it's the American image. Is there any difference with the Wood Burger?
地方就是我们都是用原木，用这个木头下去烤的，所以它跟美式的汉堡的差异性主要就是你应该主要就是差异在木头这个部分。那这个木头为什么会想要用木头烤肉？是因为为了要延续我们的文化的传承，让就是在外地工作的族人不要忘本，不要忘根。所以主要就是除了延续，就是对自己家族的一些这种文化思想啊，让他不要忘记自己是出生在哪里，所以我们才会选用木头这样的。那跟美式最大的差异就是用木头不太一样的。而且我们的肉也，因为台南人的口味都是属于比较偏甜的，那他们其实没有一般人啊，就像是台湾人，他其实是没有办法接受真正原住民那种，所以我们在来这边做之前，我们就会先去试台南人的口味，然后再加以去改变那个味道。那当然也不会失于我们自己原住民本身的味道，不会因为了要迁就当地的口味而去特别去改变你自己原本的味道。我们还是忠于原味， 应该是说反而要让台南人习惯我们的味道，而不是我们去迁就他们这样。
One of the things that he noticed that in people in Tainan, they really like a little bit of that sweet flavor, and he would like to emphasize and would like to introduce that a very unique and authentic style of the Aborigine flavor, wherein he would like to live that culture and also share that culture to the people. So he would like to stay and stick to the Aboriginal style wood fire grill. Today we are in Tainan and we are going to try this amazing burger. If you look at it, it's almost 6 inch and I don't know how will I eat it and fit it in my mouth. So the way to eat this burger is don't compress it. You have to eat it from the top to bottom. That smoky flavor is on that meat.
All the ingredients complements each other.
Lamb chop. The cumin is really good.
It makes the flavor more exciting and the lamb is so juicy. We'll also try the chicken. It is juicy, you know. The meat is cooked beautifully and all the flavors are inside because of the wood fire.
Okay, and lastly, we will try the beef steak. Oh wow. It's really juicy. Phenomenal. You should try this one as well, and I recommend come to Mood Burger.
Apart from the 4 dishes that I introduced, there's also steak burger and beef or pork burger patties, which are also served on weekdays. The shop is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 3 to 9 p.m. on weekdays and 11:30 to 9 p.m. on weekends.
Okay, so we have tried a lot of burgers. I've been to 7 countries and I tried burgers from Australia. I tried burgers from New Zealand, even the first burger, which was my top one. But now, after trying the La Alua wood grilled burger, I will be saying that
These 6 burgers from Muhambao are my top 1 to 6.